Hello dear students, welcome back to our channel Mechanical Engineering Made Simple. So we have seen number of bits, we are seeing number of bits for Assistant Motor Vehicle Inspector examination. Today also there was a news that the promotions are given from AMVI to MVI. So definitely vacancies are going to arise in the AMVI cadre, Assistant Motor Vehicle Inspector cadre. So notification may come at any time. So be prepared. So you have to prepare at least for 6 months to be on the top. Okay. So let us go to the questions, and one more request is that you have got in my playlist various videos for your examination, competitive examinations, and probably they are useful for academic examinations also. Some of the videos are for TSPSC exam, some are for GATE exam, and this set of series is for AMVI examination. So please go through my playlist and improve your subject knowledge of mechanical engineering. So let us jump into the questions. The process of throttling in calorimeter is a free flow expansion. Okay, so now the question is between compression or expansion. It is expansion only, it is free and flow. So your answer is A. Next question. The calorimeters are useful in the determination of, they are very useful in the determination of dryness fraction of steam. So let us mark the answer B. Right. Next question. In the throttling calorimeter, the steam after the throttling process shall be dry or superheated. So it should be either dry saturated or it should be superheated. So this is the answer. Okay. Next question. The research octane number RON and motor octane number MON are very important numbers. Now these two, so RON signifies moderate and just a minute, MON signifies, RON signifies the moderate duty conditions and MON signifies severe duty conditions. Okay. So RON signifies moderate and MON signifies severe duty conditions. This is the answer. So let us check that. So RON is research octane number and MON is the motor octane number. These are the two types of octane numbers. So please read the two books which are very important from your examination point of view. That is number 1 by internal combustion engines by IC engines by V Ganeshan, which is a very important book, and other book is your automobile engineering by Kripal Singh, number 1, volume number 1 and volume number 2. If you want coaching, so please put a mail or call me. I have given my contact number in the playlist. So please go through that. If you want coaching for these examinations or any mechanical engineering examination, you may please call me on that number. Okay. Now, 57th question. The MON or motor octane number is more indicative of the knock performance of engines at part throttles and high speeds. So this is your option, part throttles and high speeds. So throttling should be part and speed should be high. Then only this gives, MON gives the indicative of the knock performance. So all these octane number, whether it is research or motor, they are going to give the indication or the performance of the engine with respect to the detonation or knocking, whether they are more knocking or less knocking. So this is the answer. The answer for this is the part throttles and high speeds. Next question. The RON is related to anti-knock quality of yes. Oh, just a minute. Let me check this one. Okay. Right. So your research octane number is related to anti-knock quality of fuel when used in an engine which is, so your answer is highly loaded and low speeds. This is your answer, highly loaded and low speeds. So it is just different from your earlier bit. So this is your highly loaded and low speeds. Let us mark this. Right. Next question. The sensitivity of a fuel is given by the, so this is going to be given by the difference of RON and MON. It gives a measure of downgrading of gasoline or nothing but your petrol. So it is, the answer is D. So let us mark the answer. It is going to give the difference between a research octane number and motor octane number and gives a measure of downgrading of the gasoline. So its performance is downgraded. The sensitiveness is more means it is more downgraded. Its performance is not up to the mark. Next question. The range of octane number on tryptophan scale is, it is 0 to 130. So please remember. So if you go through my bits, they are very confusing, and the options are very misguiding and misleading. You think that you have answered 80% or 90%, but if you verify, it will be 20 to 30% only. So be careful. So my suggestion, advice is that first read those two books thoroughly, and then only you can attempt these questions. Or if you want coaching starting from the beginning, probably because some of you might have forgotten the subject, there is a long gap, okay, then you may call me for at any time. Okay boys. So next question, performance number gives the anti-knock quality of fuels. So this is going to give us superior to isooctane. So isooctane and N-heptane are the two fuels with respect to which we are going to know the anti-knock qualities of petrol fuels and diesel engine fuels, petrol engine fuels, that is petrol and diesel. Okay, so this performance number is going to give the anti-knock quality of fuels which are superior to isooctane. Right. Next question, as far as the fuels with high octane number are concerned, the engines using these fuels can be operated at yes. So I think by now you must have got an idea of how difficult, how misguiding or misleading these bits are. Okay, so this is going to be the answer. The high compression ratios have high efficiency with no detonation. So your answer is A. High compression ratios have high efficiency with no detonation. So these are the characteristics of fuels which are having high octane number. Next question. 60-second question is over. 60, just a minute. Performance number is okay. Right. So now last bit for today, the chemical formula of cetane is C16H34. So your answer is C16H32, C16H32, C16H34, C14H30, C14H28. So normal formula is CnH2n plus 2. N is equal to the variable. If n is equal to 16, C16 H 2 into 16 plus 2, that is 34. So C16H34 is the chemical formula for cetane. Okay boys. So today we will stop here. So tomorrow we are going to discuss another 6 bits of another 10 bits of your automobile engineering AMVA examination for AMVA examinations. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and let us crack the exam. Let us succeed in this examination. Let it come at any time. Be prepared and crack it. And please go through the conditions of eligibility before applying for the examinations. And of course, I will make a video at that time before, don't worry. But you are start your preparation from right now in order to succeed in the AMVA examination. Wish you all the best. Good luck.